All right, walking up to Home Depot, and first thing is these nice chairs, $30 a piece, plastic, not wood, $30. All right, let's hit it on the inside because I know y'all don't want to see no plants. This is not bad. $5, 5-pack. Yeah, $24 for a 50-foot. Seemed like regular price. Let's check over here real quick. I just want to check out some furniture. I might cut y'all out on this one. All right, you guys, we are about to get to the lawnmowers. Don't really see no big sale with lawnmowers. Toro got a 60-volt lawnmower, $549, 2 hours and 20 minutes charge time for 43 minutes of run time. We are looking into a new mower. What's the difference? 22-inch, 21-inch. And there's $100 difference. All right, DeWalt, $549. All right, so self-propelled will be $100 more. All right, so 16-inch Ryobi, $300, $349 for a 20-inch. All right, so this is regular push mower, self-propelled, which is $100 more, and then a better design basically is $649. So this is like the newer style right here. You can tell by the head of it. And they actually have a sale on this. For $800 you can get like 2 different things, 2 different tools, I guess, for the Ryobi days. Milwaukee, which is very expensive. Wow, this battery powered? Yeah, dual battery, damn. Why it's so expensive? Guess because it's Milwaukee. I just want to know why it's so expensive. So it's 1 to 4 inch height one cut. Y'all let me know if that means anything to you. The whisper. There was a TikTok that said any unopened box you can get 50% off. I wonder if they'll make an exception. You know what? I'll take one of these. All right, we got the Roundup, $20, 1 gallon. This is my favorite Roundup. This style right here, this brand. Well, this model. That other model with the blue, this is we are in to the real deal. All right, Ryobi days are here. We have a lot of Ryobi stuff to look over. $79 for this trimmer right here, 18 volts. Right, so this is $300 for this. This is the smaller mower. This is like the 16 inch. Not bad for 16 inches. You have a small lawn, then that's good for you. $149 for this trimmer right here, and I think this is the trimmer that comes in the deal in the package with the Ryobi lawnmower. Okay, just showing y'all that. I'm not sure if this part of the Ryobi days. It says Ryobi days on it, but I think this is regular price. All right, this is something that I reviewed 2 years ago, probably one of the first reviews on the channel. I'll probably do a revisit to that to let y'all know how much or how important this $200 was to me. Regular bits, tool container. Well, y'all know we already took care of that on Black Friday. Got that one already. That's one of our cheap. That's one of the tools that I got for free. Y'all know we got that one already on the channel. So I already have this, right? Jigsaw would be nice, but we good with the heart for now. This is why I like my Heart one, because it don't have that little lump right there that prevents you from getting in further. I think Ryobi need to redo this and try to, I don't know, come up with a battery that's straight. That hump right there really, unless this extends, this will be perfect if this extends. Does it extend? Oh, Spanish. Dual LED, access, 4 position, rotating head. Oh, okay, so you can rotate the head. Okay, so if you want to, you can rotate it and then have this side be your flat side, but you still prevent it from this lump right there. I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Oh, this is interesting. Well, not this. Well, this is interesting, but already good with the one I have. But if you get the Ryobi 1 HP, it looked like you could get 3 batteries. Oh, my wife do need a new vacuum. Our Ryobi vacuum, we had it for almost 10 years now, I believe. Close to 10 years. It could be like 7 years, but I think one of the clips on it broke finally, and this may be one to go for. It's saying free 1 plus HP tool you get with purchase of 3 batteries. Huh. I might look into that vacuum. That vacuum might be something I will be getting. So this is all their HPs. You guys, I still can't find my smaller one, and I am very upset. Look how small this box is. I can't find it. I don't know what the heck happened to it. So upset. But it's right there. Impact 119. All right. And again, it says free 1 plus HP tool, but you have to purchase the battery set. So we'll do this again. The battery set is approximately, I think, $200. So when you purchase that starter kit right here, you can grab one of these tools. All right, you guys, and that's about it. I'm gonna wrap this review up